This lecture is designed to help you understand California's fictitious name permit rules for physicians. California has a strict requirement for physicians and podiatrists who use a name other than their own for their medical practice. You need a fictitious name permit, which is called an FNP. If you plan to practice under a business name instead of your legal name, you'll need to obtain this permit from the Medical Board of California. Let's dive into why this matters and how to stay compliant. First, we address the core question: what is an FNP? There is nothing complicated here. It's a permit. A medical board FNP is a permit that allows physicians to legally use a business name. For example, if you use the name Oceanside Surgery Group, that is not the name that shows on your birth certificate. You need an FNP. Next question: how do you apply? It's not hard to do. It is just an easy step to forget. You file simple paperwork, and then the medical board drags its feet because it is insufficiently automated and insufficiently staffed. The board says that applications are processed in the order they are received, typically taking 4 to 6 weeks. If they were selling applications and making a profit, the turnaround would be 4 to 6 hours, but it's not. The board will also wait 4 to 6 weeks and then kick out your application and blame you. They say that common mistakes, like incomplete signature blocks, can slow things down. Also, each name must be unique to prevent confusion. This means that if you are planning a grand opening or major advertising campaign, start your FNP application sooner rather than on time. Renewing your permit is a requirement, and this must be done every 2 years. There's no grace period, so practicing with an expired permit is illegal. The next question is this: what happens if you don't comply? The medical board wants you to know that letting your permit expire can lead to fees, possible license suspension, or denial of your renewal. If the permit isn't renewed within 30 days after expiration, delinquency fees apply. In other words, even though there is no real harm to patients or the public, the medical board will have the right to harass you if you are late. Like everything else with a government bureaucracy, you want to fully comply and stay out of their way. However, if you have made an error, hiring an attorney to fix the problem may be wise.
If you are a physician facing legal challenges, the law office of Daniel Horowitz can assist you. Call Daniel at 925-283-1863. We are medical law experts and we serve only doctors and never the large medical institutions. Again, if you need a lawyer, we can help you or make an appropriate referral. Call us at 925-283-1863. Thank you for watching our video.